So, question number 6. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 30 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 54 meter cube, find the hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So, we have this cuboidal reservoir and water is entering into it at the rate of 30 liters per minute. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, because you need to find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir, what you assume is that let it takes 2 t hours to fill the reservoir. Satya, have you understood what I have said?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So, we know the flow rate. We know the flow rate of water. It is 30 liter per minute. I know the volume of reservoir which is in meter cube. Now the easier thing to do is you should know this conversion factor that 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. Mr. Satya, do you know this or not?
Yes, sir.
So if the water flow rate is 30 liter per minute, basically you'll have to convert this 1 liter into 1 upon 1000 meter cube, and therefore 30 liter is 30 upon 1000 meter cube. Satya, have you understood this conversion?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood the conversion?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
See, 1000 liter is 1 meter cube. Is it okay?
Yes,
Therefore, 1 liter would be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Is it okay?
yes, sir.
And therefore, 30 liters will be 30 upon 1000 meter cube. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And that is all that I have done. So, 30 liter per minute would be equal to 30 upon 1000 meter cube per minute. Satya, any doubt till here?
No doubt, sir.
Now, I have assumed that it takes t hours because the flow rate is in minutes. I'll have to convert this t hours into minutes. So, the minutes would be t into 60 minutes. Any doubt in this step?
No doubt.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, this is the flow rate that I have. This is the time that I have. So, if I multiply these two, this would be the water that I will be getting in t hours. Have you understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, I understand.
And this will be filling this reservoir which is 54 meter cube. Have you understood this? Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then you calculate for t. And t would be equal to 30 hours. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So again, this is one of the difficult questions, and what I'll suggest is that you'll have to redo this question, because again, till 10th class this question will come. Water is flowing in a pipe which is filling a reservoir. Till 10th class it will come, and 70% of the even the 10th class students are not able to do these questions. They simply don't understand. Mr. Satya, have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
So half of the 10th class is not able to do these questions. Mr. Sarthak, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this question and this question, they are similar. Okay, let's try to do question number 8.